Welcome to this video. Are you interested in why your vehicle diagnosis displays P0303? How is the error code interpreted by the vehicle? What does P0303 mean, or how to correct this fault? Today we will find answers to these questions together. Let's do this. First, let's look at the history of diagnostic fault code composition according to the OBD2 protocol, which is unified for all automakers since 2000. We divide the electric system of automobile into the four basic units: powertrain, body, chassis, network. This distribution is defined in the first character code. If the second character is expressed as 0, it is a standardized error. In the case of numbers 1, 2, 3, it is a more prestigious expression of the car-specific error. The third character specifies a subset of errors. The distribution shown is valid only for the standardized DTC code. Only the last two characters define the specific fault of the group. Let's not forget that such a division is valid only if the other character code is expressed by the number 0. Our website airbagreset.sk produces useful videos for you. You do not have to go through the OBD2 protocol anymore to know how to troubleshoot any car breakdown. You will find all the diagnostic codes that can be diagnosed in Acura vehicles. Also many other useful things. The following demonstration will help you look into the world of software for car control units. You unbelievably can move the video a bit further. The error code is split into 2 bytes consisting of 16 bits. 1 bit is the basic unit that each computer works with. The bit has 2 logical states: 0, low level, 1, high level. By combining the first 2 bits, the basic character of the error code is expressed. The next 2 beats again determine the second character. The last beat styles of the first byte define the third character of the code. The second byte is composed of a combination of 8 bits. The first 4 bits determine the fourth character of the code. And the combination of the last 4 bits defines the fifth character. A single byte conceals 256 possible combinations. We now know in what way the diagnostic tool translates the received information into a more comprehensible format. The number itself does not make sense to us if we cannot assign information about it to what it actually expresses. So, what does the Diagnostic Trouble Code P0303 interpret specifically for Acura car manufacturers? The basic definition is cylinder 3 misfire detected. And now this is a short description of this DTC code. The execution time is once per driving cycle and the duration time is 200 revolutions for type 1 and 1000 revolutions for type 2. Conditions for illuminating the mil type 1 and type 2 misfire type 1 severe per 200 revolutions 27 to 90 times. If a type 1 misfire catalyst damaging occurs once, the mil blinks once per second, a temporary DTC is stored, and the high RPM fuel injection stop system activates. The fuel injection stops, at high RPM only, on the cylinder that has the highest misfire counts. The mil continues to blink, and the fuel injection stays off at high RPM, until the drive is completed. If a type 1 misfire occurs during a second drive cycle, the mil and fuel injection behave the same and a DTC is stored. After a type 1 misfire has been detected during 2 drive cycles, the mil comes on and stays on beginning with the third drive cycle, unless the temporary DTC has been cleared by the PCM. Even if the mil is on, it will start blinking if a type 1 misfire occurs. If the malfunction recurs during the next second drive cycle, the mil comes on and the DTC and the freeze frame data are stored. Misfire type 2 light per 1000 revolutions 55 times. If a type 2 misfire, emission-related but not severe enough to immediately damage the catalyst, occurs, a temporary DTC is stored, but the mil does come on or blink. If a type 2 misfire occurs during a second drive cycle, the mil comes on and stays on unless the temporary DTC has been cleared by the PCM. Note: before you troubleshoot, record all freeze data and any onboard snapshot. This diagnostic error occurs most often in these cases: faulty spark plug, faulty ignition coil, faulty fuel injector, faulty fuel pump and or regulator, poor connections or loose terminals at the ignition coil, the injector, and the PCM, open or short circuit between the ignition coil and the under-hood fuse relay box, open or short circuit between the PCM and the ignition coil, internal engine problem, incorrect PCM idle, learn procedure, incorrect CKP pattern, learn procedure, MAF sensor. The Airbag Reset website aims to provide information in 52 languages. Thank you for your attention and stay tuned for the next video.